Remember when you were cracking your knuckle and suddenly someone said, "Stop, you will get arthritis"? Well, guess what? That's a myth. Here is the truth. That pop is not your bones rubbing together. It is science happening inside your joints. Your joints are filled with fluid. When you stretch them, pressure drops, and tiny gas bubbles form and burst, and your knuckles go pop. That is the sound. It is called cavitation, and it is totally harmless. No bones breaking, no joints dying. Just your body doing bubble wrap things. So crack away. Just maybe not during a meeting. If your brain just popped with that fact, hit like, subscribe, and keep cracking open the science with us.